In this video, we will go over how to use the Manage Workspaces tool. The Manage Workspaces tool is found in the View tab of our spatial products. The Manage Workspaces tool allows you to capture a certain layout of windows in the product that you can have predefined and then switch to easily later. So for example, I want to capture this simple layout here with this one window and my layer control docked to the right like this. So to do that, I will come to the tool and click Capture Workspace. I'll give the workspace a name and I'll call this one Simple. My workspace is now being captured. If I drop down over here, you'll see that the workspace I just made is now listed and I can click on it to go to this workspace. I currently only have one captured, so you won't see the result, but I'm going to capture another one with a different layout of windows. Here you can see I have a different layout of windows here with 4 different views of my open pit that I designed and my layer control still docked to the right like this. I want to capture this and then I'll come to the Manage Workspaces tool and click Capture Workspace and I'll call this workspace Views. My workspace has now been captured, and if I drop down here I can see it's listed here together with the simple workspace I captured. Now you'll see the results. I can easily switch back to my simple workspace, which is my one window layout that I had, and I'll click on it. And there we go, there's my workspace. If I want to switch back, I'll come here and click on Views. And there's my workspace. You can have many workspaces like this set up and captured and easily switch between them, whichever suits the type of work you're doing best. With the workspaces, it is, like I said, a layout of windows, so you can dock the different windows in the spatial product how you want. For example, if I wanted to put the layer control somewhere else, I could click on it here at the top, drag, and then using these blocks here as a guide, I can drop them anywhere I want to dock them in a certain position. So for example, if I wanted to dock the layer control on top here, I'll drop it on this little box here, and there we go, it's on top. And then I could capture this in a new workspace if I wanted, over here by clicking Capture Workspace. So it'll capture that whole layout of windows that you have put here. Another example is if I wanted to show another window, for example, my dashboards window where I designed dashboards, I could also take this window and dock it somewhere else. For example, to the left here, and there we go. And this would be a new layout of windows that I could also then capture in my workspaces. Now, once your workspaces are captured, you can manage them by clicking on the Workspaces button over here, and it will give you a list of your different workspaces you've captured. Once you're in here, you can choose to apply the workspace. You can choose to load a workspace that you save out by clicking Save Workplace over here. You can save it out externally and then load it back in. You can choose to remove a workplace or remove all workplaces, or you can choose to save workplace as. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much.